how to delete a photo on TikTok. So for you to do this, you need to go to your TikTok. So right here, I'm already on my TikTok. So go to your profile by clicking down here. So once you're on your profile, then tap on what you want to delete. I'll click on OK. So tap on what you want to delete right here. So I just tap on this particular video right here. So once I tap on it like this, then come over to where you have these three dots right here. Click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots over here, you get to see so many things. So just swipe to the left. Swipe to the left till you see where you have the delete button. Can you see the delete button right here? Tap on delete and you get to tap on delete right here. I see. So it has been deleted successfully. So let me check my profile again. Can you see that the video is no more on my profile? And that is basically how you get to delete videos on TikTok. So if you got value, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.